How to add a credit or debit card in Klarna. Want to add a new card? This guide shows you how you can add a credit or debit card in Klarna so you can pay for your purchases with your card. First, open the Klarna app and go to Settings. From there, tap on Payment Methods. You can also tap on the plus icon on the home screen to add your cards. You'll see an option to add a new payment method. Tap on it and then select other card, right? Just like this. You'll be asked to enter your card's details, or you can scan the QR from your camera, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can also enter the billing address. Make sure all the information is accurate. Once you've entered your card details, tap on Add Card. Klarna will verify the card and add it to your account. You now can use your new card to pay for your purchases. It is a great way to add a new card to your account. You now know how to add a card in Klarna. Get ready to pay for your purchases with your card. Like and subscribe for more financial tips.